Hello everyone. Today we will start our EVS class with chapter 2, Others in My World. We all know, children, that there are many other people care for you and helped you. But your family is one of the first people who helped you and care for you. So today we will discuss all about family. So what is family? Family is a group of people who are closely related to each other. I'll repeat. Family is a group of people who are closely related to each other. It consists of grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. It consists of grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. It may or may not live together in the same house. It may or may not live together in the same house. Children, there are many kinds of families. So, our next topic is types of families. There are three types of families. First, nuclear family. Second, joint family. Third, special families. I'll repeat. First, nuclear family. Second, joint family. Third, special families. Now, first is nuclear family. What is a nuclear family? A family that has parents and their children living together. I'll repeat. A family that has parents and their children living together. There are two types of nuclear family. First, big nuclear family. Second, small nuclear family. Look at these pictures. As you can see here, there is a father, mother, sister, and brother, and they all live together in one house. So this kind of family is known as nuclear family. Now children, let us discuss about joint family. Family that has grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and their children living together in the same house is known as joint family. I'll repeat. A family that has grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and children living together in the same house is called joint family. Children, there are two types of joint family. First, a small joint family. Second, a big joint family. As you can see here that in these pictures there are grandparents, parents, sister, brother, uncle, aunts and their children. So this type of family is called as joint family. Now, the next type of family is special family. There are two types of special families. First, single parent family. A family that includes children and either of the parents. I'll repeat, a family that includes children and either of the parents but not both. Second, some families do not have children. Only husband and wife live together. I'll repeat, some families do not have children. Only husband and wife live together. This type of family is also called as special family. Now, the next topic is relationship. Before starting this topic, students, you should know this fact. Father's relatives are known as paternal relatives. I'll repeat. Father's relatives are known as paternal relatives. Mother's relatives are known as maternal relatives. Mother's relatives are known as maternal relatives. Now we will start our topic, relationships. Father and mother are called parents. Parents' parents are your grandparents. Father's or mother's brother is your uncle. Aunt's husband is also your uncle. I'll repeat. Father and mother are called parents. Parents' parents are your grandparents. Father's or mother's brother is your uncle. Aunt's husband is also your uncle. Father's or mother's sister is your aunt. Uncle's wife is also your aunt. Uncle's or aunt's children are your cousins. I'll repeat. Father's or mother's sister is your aunt. Uncle's wife is also your aunt. Uncle's or aunt's children are your cousins. Now we will move forward to the next topic, a family tree. Children, every family can be divided into generations. A family tree starts from the grandparents. So, the grandparents are the first generation. Our parents, uncles and aunts belong to the second generation. Children and cousins, they belong to the third generation. I'll repeat. Grandparents are the first generation. Parents, uncles and aunts, they belong to the second generation. Children and cousins, they are the third generation. Now children, look at this picture. This is a picture of a family tree. As I told you, grandparents are the first generation. A family tree starts from the grandparents. Next, these are your parents, uncles and aunts, and they are the second generation. Next, children and cousins, they belong to the third generation. So this is a family tree. As a family grows, the family tree also grows. Now, our next topic is care and concern for the family. In this, first we will discuss about old and elderly people. Children, who are old and elderly people in your family? Your grandparents. They are an essential part of the family. So how can you help them? Children, there are various ways to help them. You should take care of them, spend time with them and involving them in everything that you do and respect them. Children, there are some people in the family who are sometimes physically challenged. They are said to be differently abled. Such people may not able to see, hear or speak. So, they need our care, support and encouragement. Children, as some of you are having pets in your home, so they are also a part of your family. So we should be kind to them and take care of them. Our next topic is fun with the family. Children, all of us get tired of doing a daily work. So we need to refresh ourselves. So it is very important for a family to have fun together. Family members have fun with each other in different ways. By watching a movie, you can watch cartoon movies on the television. Next is by playing games. After completing your homework in the evening, you can go to the children park and play outdoor games like cricket, football with your family members. You can also play indoor games like Ludo, Carom on holidays. Next is going for a picnic. On holidays, you can also go for a picnic with your family and have a lot of fun. Next is attending a wedding. Children, you can also attend family functions like wedding and birthday parties so that you can enjoy with your family members at such functions. by praying together and enjoying festivals with your family members are also a fun. Students, let's do the exercise. Page number 18. A. Tick the correct option. First, your father is your mother's A. husband, B. uncle. I'll repeat. Your father is your mother's A. husband, B. uncle. The correct answer is A. husband. Second, you are your parents' A. son, B. daughter. I'll repeat. You are your parents' A. son, B. daughter. Students, please do this part yourself. Third, a joint family has A. many members, B. few members. I'll repeat. A joint family has A. many members, B. few members. The correct answer is A. many members. Fourth, your grandparents are the A. first generation, B. third generation. I'll repeat it. Your grandparents are the A. first generation, B. third generation. And correct answer is A. first generation. Now, the next question is fill in the blanks. First, children and cousins belong to the third generation. I'll repeat. Children and cousins belong to the third generation. Second, we should respect old and elderly people. We should respect old and elderly people. Third, cricket is an outdoor game that we can play with our family. I'll repeat. Cricket is an outdoor game that we can play with our family. Fourth, we should be kind to our pets. We should be kind to our pets. Next, question C. Write true for the correct statement and false for the incorrect statements. First, a nuclear family is a big family. I'll repeat. A nuclear family is a big family. The answer is false. Second, as a family grows, the family tree also grows. As a family grows, the family tree also grows. This statement is true. Third, differently abled people need our care. I'll repeat. Differently abled people need our care. The answer is true. Fourth, grandparents are Pillars of the family. Grandparents are pillar of the family. This statement is true. Next question D. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What is a family? Question 1. What is a family? Answer. A family is a group of people who are related to each other. I'll repeat. A family is a group of people who are related to each other. Question 2. Who in a family belongs to the second generation? Who in a family belongs to the second generation? Answer. Our parents, uncles and aunts belong to the second generation. I'll repeat the answer. Our parents, uncles and aunts belong to the second generation. Question 3. Give an example of a special family. Give an example of a special family. Answer. Special family is a single parent family which has children and either of the parents. I'll repeat the answer. Special family is a single parent family which has children and either of the parents. Question 4. How can you have fun with your family? Question 4. How can you have fun with your family? Answer. We can have fun with our family by watching a movie, going for a picnic and playing outdoor games. I'll repeat the answer. We can have fun with our family by watching a movie, going for a picnic and playing outdoor games. Next question is, which differently abled people use Braille script? I'll repeat the question. Which differently abled people use Braille script? The answer is blind people. Answer is blind people. Students, please do all these exercises in your notebook.